Okay, Nikki is doing kneading, and Peter, we're going to show you how your brother is doing his favorite job. Look at his techniques. Do you want to say something, Nikki? Say hello to Peter.
Hello.
What time did you get up today?
Yes, early.
Yeah, very early, and in the frosty morning, he came by bike to Pennyland to Willen. Yes, and this is how he started, but it's still not as early as your bakery time, because he works only from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Yeah? Okay. And look at his hands, how his hands is working with the bread, okay? Yeah. Okay, so this is the bakery where he works. Yeah. And then this is one of the colleagues. Yeah.